Hello everybody, welcome to Colorful Data. Today we want to have experience for the new box. It's my favorite brand, St. Petersburg. And then when buy the new box of the watercolor, it's good to take a little bit of the color on the paper and to keep it as a board for the future to understand that each colors which at the back you have the reference, but that is printed. But when you paint it on the paper, it's much easy to understand that each one, what is the effect on your painting. Let's do it together. So that is the box, and it has a reference paper. We can add it here, and then we will start. Of course, it has a palette here, and it's look like that one. Now the fun part is started. So we grab, of course, the white one is nothing. Cadmium, lemon. The next one, cadmium yellow, medium. Yellow ochre. Golden. I should take the extra water. Golden deep. Yellow. Titanium red. Ruby. Oh, what's a nice color. Cadmium red light. English red. Let's grab the other one. Rose. Carmine. Mother lake. We use it a lot. Mother lake red light. Lilac. Violet. Ultramarine. Always use the ultramarine. Black. Bright blue. Oh, what a nice color. I love it. Cobalt blue. Cobalt blue. Edanchine blue. What a name. Turquoise. That is my favorite. Look how it look like. Indigo. We use a lot indigo also. I love the cerulean blue to use on when I want to paint a sky. Yellow green. Emerald green. Normal green. Olive green. And chromium oxide. Raw sienna, we use this one a lot. Burnt sienna, amber,